Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Learn the names of herbs that start with the letter Bay and use their benefits according to your need. And children should also watch this video so their knowledge can increase.
Babchi seeds, babchi. Chamomile, babuna. Wild chamomile, babuna gavicham. Spiked millet, bajra. Almond sweet, badam shiri. Fennel fruit, badiyan sami jar. Voltra millet, bar avard. Greater plantain, bar tang. Salvia seeds, balango. Embelia rice, bao badang.
I hope this video will definitely be beneficial for you. Please share this video with your friends and relatives so that they can also benefit from it. Until the next video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and press the bell icon